Hello everyone. Now question number 17. Again we have to solve the equation, so we will keep the one variable term on one side of equal. So x by 4 will be shifted on the same side, so it will become minus x by 4. Put the equal sign, equal 1 by 2. Now next step, take its LCM. So LCM will be 12. Divide and multiply. नीचे से divide and ऊपर से multiply. So you will be getting this as the terms. Now solve it for that. 6x minus 7x upon 12 equal 1 by 2. And in next step, minus x upon 12 equal 1 by 2. What should be next step now? क्या होगा? You have to cross multiply. So minus 2x equal 12. So x will be minus 12 upon 2. Write it in the standard form by taking minus sign on the upper side. So x equal minus 6. Next question. In question 18, all these three variables are on the same side, so you will solve it directly by taking its LCM, divide and multiply. So 6z, here it is upon 1, so minus 4z plus 3z equal 5. Now solve it. 6 minus 4, 2, 2 plus 3, 5z upon 6 equal 5. So same procedure, cross multiply. 5z equals 6 multiply 5. So z will be 6 multiply 5 and whole upon 5. This 5 will be in the denominator. So z answer will be 6. Come to the 19th question. This is little bit different than the previous two questions. So first thing, we will solve it here itself by taking its LCM. So in that case, it will be easy for you to get the answer by solving it, by taking its LCM. Okay, now you will solve it further. 1 plus 2, that is 3 upon 2, 6y plus 3 upon 2 and 7y minus 3 upon 3. अब बताइए what should be the next step? This is little bit same as this concept. So what you will do, you will क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. लेकिन ध्यान रखेंगे ये जो 3 है, while doing the क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, ये 3 को आप इन पूरे से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. यू विल पुट इट इन द ब्रैकेट. सिमिलरली इस 2 को इस पूरे टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो 2 एंड इन द ब्रैकेट 7y minus 3. अब देखिए, अब ये इजी हो गया क्वेश्चन एज कंपेयर टू द क्वेश्चन. दिस स्टेप इज इजी नाउ. So how will you solve it further? By opening the bracket. So it will become 18y plus 9 equal 14y minus 6. Now take the same variable on the one side and the constant term shift it on the other side. So 18y minus 14y. So it will be 4y equal minus 15. So y will be minus 15 upon 4. So this is the answer. Now question number 20. In question 20, what should be the first step? आपको क्या समझ आ रहा है? How will you do it? Take its LCM. So the LCM is 3. So 2x minus 1 and minus 1. So solve it further. By taking its LCM, it will be simple for you to go for the steps. Minus 1 and minus 1 will become minus 2. अब हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो मेक श्योर 3 जो है 6x minus 2 दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. सेम वे वाइल डूइंग द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन 5 जो है दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. So you will put it in the bracket. Now open the bracket by multiplying the term. So you will be getting this as the terms. Now same procedure, 18x minus 10x. Shift the terms, minus 10 and minus 6 will be shifted here. So it will become plus 6. So this will be 8x equal minus 4. So x will be minus 4 upon 8. Minus 4 upon 8. So cancel it. You will get x as minus 1 by 2. X as minus 1 by 2. Similarly, in question 21, what should be the first step? Take its LCM. Again, I am saying it will be simple for you to solve it further by taking its LCM. 4 minus 2, that is 2, plus z upon 4. Now do the cross multiplication. Okay, so 4 z minus 1 दोनों से multiply होगा, put the equal sign, and similarly 3 2 plus z दोनों से multiply होगा. So always put it in the bracket. Now open the bracket by doing the multiplication. Now shift the terms as you have done it in the previous questions. So z equal 10. Z equal 10 will be the answer here. Now question number 22. In question 22, this is little bit different. So what will be the first step? आपको क्या समझ आ रहा है after observing it? You will do the cross multiplication. Here it is 1. So do the cross multiplication. So 10 and 2x minus 3. Keep it in the bracket. 3 multiply 1 will be 3 and 5x minus 12 will remain in the bracket. Now open the bracket by doing the multiplication. So you will get this as the terms. Now shift the variables on the same side by changing their sign. So this will be the terms. Now it will become 5x equal minus 6. So x will become minus 6 upon 5. So in 22 you will be getting minus 6 upon 5 as the answer. This is quite simple. क्या करना होगा? Straight away you have to open the bracket. Sorry, this is y. Now 3y minus 10y equal 5 plus 9. So this will minus 7y equal 14. So y will be minus 14 upon 7. Cancel it. So y is minus 2. In 23rd question, y value will be minus 2. Look at the 24th question. In 24th question, the terms are in decimal. So don't worry, we will follow the same procedure by shifting the terms on the same side. So 1.16, this 0.8 will be shifted over here. It will come like this. Now what should be next step now? क्या करेंगे हम? You will do the subtraction. 0.6 minus 0.28. 0.6 minus 0.28. What it should be? It will be 0.32x. Okay, this is the bigger number. So it will be plus sign. And if you will subtract 1.16 minus 0.8, what will be the answer? 0.36. This will be the term which you will be getting it. So x will be 0.36 upon 0.32. अब क्या करेंगे? Decimal and decimal will be removed. Now this will become 36 upon 32. 36 upon 32. Now you can cancel it. With which number it goes? It goes with 4. So cancel it with 4. 32 divided by 4. This is 8 and 9. So x will be 9 upon 8. Since the question is in the decimal, so it would be better if you will write its answer also in the decimal. But it hardly makes any difference if you will keep the answer in fraction also. So if you will put it in the decimal, this will be the answer. So both the answers are right. Okay. Now come to the 25th question. This is also same, which is in the form of decimal. So you will multiply the term, so it will become 7.2 minus 2.4x, and since it is minus sign, so make sure about the sign here. So minus 1.2x plus 1.8 equals to 0, because minus minus will become plus. So 0.6 multiply 3, you will be getting it as plus 1.8. अब क्या स्टेप होगा? You will keep these two here itself, minus 2.4x minus 1.2x. ये आपकी दोनों टर्म ऑन द सेम साइड है, so you will keep it here and shift the other term on the other side of equal. So the sign will get changed. It will become minus 3.6x equal minus 9.0, minus 3.6x equal minus 9.0. So x would be minus 9 upon minus 3.6. 9.0 or 9, one and same thing, because 0 after decimal, if there are number of 0, then it does not makes any difference. So you can write it as it is also. Okay. So next step, this minus and minus will be cancelled out. तो आपके पास x इक्वल 9 अपॉन 3.6 हो जाएगा. Now remove this decimal. तो ये 90 अपॉन 36 हो जाएगा. अब क्या आपका नेक्स्ट स्टेप होगा? You can convert it in the decimal form. So if you will convert it in the decimal form, you will get x as 2.5 as the answer. Either you can keep it in the decimal form, or you can keep the answer in the fraction form also. In the fraction form also. So if you want to keep it in the fraction form, then also it will be right. Okay. Otherwise, you will put it in the decimal form. So if you want to keep it in the fraction, so it will be 45 upon 18. Then it goes with the 3, or it goes with 9 also. 9, 2 and 5. Sorry. This will be 5. So either you will keep x as 5 upon 2 as the answer, or 2.5 also as the answer. I hope all these questions are clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.